Hey, third graders. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope that you're staying safe at home. I'm going to be walking you through a couple of examples of finding perimeter of shapes so that you have some resources to look back at when you go through to your assignment and find the perimeter of exhibits at a zoo. So, when we find the perimeter, we're going around the outside of a shape and adding up the sides to find the distance it is around the shape. When I come to one, the first thing I do is look to make sure all of the sides have a length on them, and this one does, or these ones, excuse me. These sides are all listed out. There's no missing sides I have to find, which is awesome because that saves us a step. The next thing I do is I put a dot in the corner. This is the dot I'm going to start at. I'm going to go clockwise around the shape to make sure I don't miss any side lengths, to make sure that I don't accidentally add one twice in. I'm just going to make sure that just helps me. It's not something everyone does, it's just a little step that helps me make sure I'm accurate when I'm adding. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to start at my dot and I'll end at my dot when I come back around. So I'm going to start here. I have 5, and it looks like I'm working with feet for the measurement. So that's my unit of measurement. Um, that helps us be more accurate. People understand what we're talking about then. So this one's 5 feet. Then we go to 2 feet. I'm adding them up because I'm adding up the sides around a shape. After 2 is 7. 7 is 3. And then my last side here is 4. So I have all my sides listed out. Now I'm going to add them up. I'm going to look for friendly numbers that are easy to work with, that make easy pairs. The first one I see is I'm going to do 7 and 3. It's an easy 10. And I know that 5 and 2 is 7, and 7 usually needs 3 to make 10. So something that I can do is quickly split this up into the two numbers that add up to be it. So 3 and 1. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 3 is another 10. I'm going to cross those out. And then the last number I have left is my 1. Okay, this is a lot easier to work with. 2 tens make 20. Put that in my tens place. 1, 21. And I'm going to add my unit of measurement or my label, 21 feet. The perimeter around the shape is 21 feet. I'm going to go ahead and put another one up for you guys so you have one more to see. All right, so our second example shows another shape. All of the sides are there and they all have a unit of measurement, of meters. So I know that my answer is also going to be in meters. I'm going to put my dot so I know where to start and I know where to finish. I'm going to work my way around going clockwise. So first side that I write down, 3, 5, 5. The next one is 3, 4, 6, and then finally my last side is 7. So going through, I'm going to find friendly numbers, easy numbers that are simple to work with. Those two together make 10. I know my 3 and my 7 together make another 10. Right here, I see that I have a 4 and a 6. That's another easy 10. And then I'm left with my 3. So I can add that down here so I don't have to just to make sure that I don't leave it out. Simple enough. I see I have 3 tens. That's 30. So I'm going to put 3 in my tens place. And then I have 3 in my ones place left over, 10, 20, 30, 33, just to make sure I got it all. And then my label is meters. So the perimeter of the shape is 33 meters. I hope you guys have fun finding the perimeter of all of your different zoo exhibits. See you later.